welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher David Lawson of NEPA, and today we're going to be installing the MRT hood struts for the 2022 Ford Maverick. Now what the hood struts do basically is, instead of using the prop rod, you can use hood struts on both sides and it'll actually hold the hood up a lot better than the prop rod. The reason behind me purchasing these is I don't have a garage to work in. I like to work outside on my vehicles all the time. And sometimes living 3 miles away from Lake Erie or anywhere where you got a lot of wind, I don't feel secure just having a prop rod holding the hood up while I'm doing stuff out here, you know. And I also like to walk away sometimes when I'm doing the work. I don't like to leave my hood open, basically unsecured. Now with the MRT hood struts, I won't have any issue walking away. Say I got to go in the house and do something, or just when I do oil changes, I like to let the oil drain out for a while just to get as much of it out as I can. In the box, you got 2 struts. You've got 2 mounts for the hood. You've got 2 mount brackets, one right and one left. And of course it comes with a bag of washers and nuts and everything. The tools, you're gonna need an 11mm wrench. Possibly you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. You might have to pry some stuff off. You gotta have an 8, a 10, and a 13mm socket, and of course a socket wrench. I'm going to go ahead and get started on that now. We'll show you how easy it is to do this. All right, folks, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your 10mm socket and wrench, and you're going to want to loosen this bolt up here that holds your washer reservoir on, and take that off. You're going to take your right-hand bracket, then this is where that goes on. Go ahead and take this bolt off of here. This is where you're reusing just one bolt to put this on, and I'll show you how that goes. You're going to take that hole here, and it actually slides up underneath and just sits on top of this piece right here. And then you're going to go ahead and secure, go ahead and line everything back up here and tighten your bolt back down. And then that's how the right hand side goes on the washer reservoir. There you have this part mounted on the downside. Next thing you're going to want to do is you want to take your socket wrench here and your 13mm. This would be easier if you had a deep dish 13mm, but I don't. You're going to take the nuts off and washer, of course, for that hold your hood on. And this is where you're going to want one of your brackets for the top. You're also going to want to make sure when you do this that this hose is actually on the outside. This is your washer hose. This has to go on the outside of this hood strut. Let me go ahead and pull this off and put these on now. You can see as I'm doing this, I'm making sure too, because you are removing the nuts that hold the hood onto the hinge. You can actually line up pretty good to where it was from the factory before, because you can see, because they actually painted this with the hinges on. So you just go ahead and line that right back up the best you can. Like I said, you got to pull this washer hose out of the way, and you just go ahead and line everything back up to where the paint mark was, and you should be all set on this side. Okay, we'll make sure we take the MRT strut now. Make sure this part is at the top, the gas part, and I'm going to have the MRT logo facing up. We're going to mount it to the bottom part here, and that just snaps on there. You're going to want to push down, line it up with the hood. Make sure your washer hose is out of the way, and that's it for this side. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Okay, here on the driver's side, this is where you're going to need your hardware that comes in the bag. You're going to take your left-hand bracket. Remember, left hand is the driver's side. They're saying left hand as in you're sitting on the left-hand side of the vehicle driving. Again, you put the bracket underneath there like that. You take your screw, bolt, whatever you want to call it there. Then you're going to take your other nut and washer and put it underneath. Remember, these brackets are facing down with where they mount. You're going to need your 11mm wrench, and you're also going to need your 8mm socket. All right, got your wrench underneath here. We're going to secure this down nice and tight. And of course, the hood one's already done on this side like I did on the other side. We'll go ahead and take your MRT strut. Like I said, I got it so the name is facing up and the gas strut is at the top. Clip that on there. You're gonna have to push down on that just a little bit to get it to line up, and voila. All right, no more prop rod. Let's close the hood, make sure everything lines up okay. Still slams down pretty tight. Looks like my gaps are still pretty good on the hood. I must have everything secured on there. Again, all my lines are there. That's a good sign that I've got them on there the right way. All right, like I said, the hood seems to be lined up. Let's go ahead and open it. See, I was kind of hoping it had a little bit more power to actually open the hood all the way, open on its own, but we'll go ahead, lift up on it. It gets to about halfway, then it does hold it pretty good. And now it's going to be a lot easier for me to work underneath the hood here without having the prop rod out of the way. And of course, these really aren't in the way either. So there's the MRT hood struts. All right, everybody, that was a pretty simple install. Just make sure you have everything in the right direction. A few simple hand tools, and you can do this yourself in less than half an hour. Thanks for tuning in. I've got plenty of Maverick videos. I also do motorcycle related videos, product reviews, etc. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. A lot more videos coming on the Maverick. Bye for now.